Hello and welcome back to our channel where we review the latest and greatest in audio technology. Today, we're going to be talking about the Geek Wold GK100. An affordable pair of true wireless earbuds that promise to deliver high-quality sound at an affordable price. Let's start with the design. The Geek Wold GK100 comes in a compact, lightweight charging case that makes it easy to carry around and store. The case is made of plastic and has a glossy finish that gives it a premium look and feel. The earbuds themselves are also made of plastic and have a matte finish. They come with a set of silicone ear tips in 3 different sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your ears. In terms of connectivity, the Geek Wold GK100 uses Bluetooth 5.0, which provides a stable and reliable connection. Pairing the earbuds with your device is easy and straightforward. Once you've paired them, they'll automatically connect to your device when you take them out of the charging case. Now let's talk about sound quality. The Geek Wold GK100 uses 10mm dynamic drivers that deliver a balanced and clear sound. The bass is punchy and impactful, without overpowering the mids and highs. The mids are warm and rich, while the highs are crisp and detailed. The overall sound signature is well balanced, making it suitable for a wide range of music genres. The Geek Wold GK100 also comes with touch controls that allow you to control your music playback, answer or reject calls, and activate your device's voice assistant. The touch controls are easy to use and responsive, although they can be a bit finicky at times. In terms of battery life, the Geek Wold GK100 earbuds provide up to 4 hours of playback time on a single charge. The charging case can provide an additional 16 hours of battery life, giving you a total of 20 hours of playback time. This is more than enough for a day's worth of listening. Overall, the Geek Wold GK100 is an excellent pair of truly wireless earbuds that offer great sound quality, reliable connectivity, and long battery life at an affordable price. If you're looking for an entry-level pair of earbuds that won't break the bank, the Geek Wold GK100 is definitely worth considering.